when you add macros tab into Excel, you get extra formulas. One important formula called sum combination. In simple terms, when you have number list and you want to get what number combination matches the total value, this formula will give you the combination of those numbers. I type equal sum combination, then give the value range, that means the values, and comma, give the value which need to match. If you forget how to type, just press the formula button in up here after you type equal sum combination. Then it says what to do. First range numbers and then target sum. Okay. Now you got the combination, but it is in horizontal. To make it vertical, I will use transpose formula in the beginning. Okay. Now when I change the values, the combination got changed as simple as that. But if you have empty, 0 or same value again and again, combination list will show same combination again and again for the same values like this. But in this case, it refers these different numbers for the combination. If you need to get unique combination only, you can add unique formula here. But I know you are lazy. To easily do that, select the cell you want to put the formula, go to quick formulas in the macros tab and press unique sum combination. Then give the number range and the total value. Done. Now you got the unique sum combination. This is all combination of multiple Excel formulas. Remember how many times you suffer to get the combination like this? Now it is very easy. But if you always forget to use sum combination formula, use the quick formula option. Okay. But remember, if you have very large numbers, it may take time to process the combinations.